Hi with everyone. My name is Ariana Córdoba Ortega and this is my oral presentation. Okay, I'm going to talk about the third topic. If you could travel to any country in the world outside of Latin America, where would you go? Discuss the culture, food, religion, history, etc. of this country and why you want to go there. Okay, I would travel to Thailand because it's an interesting place to meet and I don't know, some days I will go. About their language, it's so strange and complicated to speak and write. So if we go there, we have to speak in English or maybe in Spanish to communicate to other people and the other people understand us. Talking about the religion, Buddhism is important to know that exists a Buddha for every day of the week. For example, in Tuesday exists a Buddha lying in the floor, like this Buddha, referring to the way he died in Nepal, and that Buddha means luck. Okay, talking about the religion too, in Thailand exist monks who for respect of religion shave his heads and all hair of his face and their bodies. It's important to mention that exist among us too, who have the same tradition of shave his heads and shave all the hair of their bodies. Okay, the 90% of the population is Buddhist. In Thailand, the Buddhism is different because the right Buddha, the left Buddha, sorry, um, is represented thin and unisex. It should be emphasized that the Buddha of Thailand can be used like a decorative figure and only have to use for protection, unlike the other Buddha, the right Buddha, um, who is represented like a fat and bald man. In in Buddhist year, we are in 2562. That count from the death of the last Buddha, and every 5,000 years exists a new Buddha. Okay, about their cultures. The people transport in elephants, so it's normal to see an elephant walking around the street. Their food is normal in that place, eat scorpions, worms, and crickets. It's important to mention the fruit that Thais like is durian. It's a smell fruit, so I don't know. I don't want to taste that food, but because a few people, no, a lot of people told me that fruit smells like garbage, so I don't want to taste that. Okay, and talking about the bills, and the bills have the face of the king of Thailand, and $1 is approximately 30 bahts. Um, I don't know. I will spend all my money to meet this place because I want to know how the culture changed in the east side. And okay, that's all about my presentation and I hope you like. Thanks, bye.